Allison, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some vocal warmups and exercises for singers that I would recommend doing every day, and the order in which I recommend them. Also, say hello to my new piano. Hopefully that will be an upgrade for all of us. Always check in with your alignment and your breathing before doing anything else. Sit or stand in a tall but relaxed position that feels both open and balanced. Take a couple of low, relaxed breaths, and let's exhale on a sigh. Just very gently. One more time. These yawn sighs help prepare us to sing with plenty of relaxation and a released feeling, like having a sigh in the sound. I like to start with semi-occluded sounds like or v or zh or hm. Today let's do a lip trill on. Keep aiming to release tension, and of course, feel free to change octaves as needed. Next, I like to move to a more open but limited range exercise to keep things easy. Today we're going to sing on key, like key. This brighter E vowel will help with full vocal fold closure. Here we go. Let's move on to a more open sound like sa la sa la sa. This is where we can come back to that feeling of sigh in the sound. Here we go. Sa la sa la sa. 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 Before we continue, I wanted to make sure that you know about the mobile app for singers that I've published. It's full of some of my best vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's very easy to use. It's available on both the app and Google Play stores. It is commercial free, and it has the option to save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. The link's below. Now that we've been singing a little bit, let's move to a more vigorous exercise that's a bit more engaged. We're going to sing an E, A like Now let's work to coordinate breath onset and balanced vowel sounds as we move between an E and an O. We're going to sing E-O, 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 E. Here we go. E-O, 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 E. E-O, 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 E. E-O, 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 E. This next exercise will work on moving smoothly through the passaggio. Note the breath pattern. We're going to sing this on vo, and it sounds like this. Give it a try. Alternate technical challenges with relaxing exercises. We're going to work high to low now as we focus on releasing and relaxing the tongue and the jaw, which move together for this exercise. We're going to sing on fa-e, like move to money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo. Minimize movement at the front of the mouth, but keep the back of the mouth open and relaxed. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Let's do some descending lip trills to make sure that we're still using plenty of airflow and relaxing as much as we can. We can sing. Going to end with some range work. I love ending with arpeggios that really stretch our range. We're going to sing on Z-ah on the following pattern. Z-ah. The Z helps engage both the breath and the vocal folds, and the ah opens up into a high range. Try to let go of any judgment as you stretch the edges of your range. If anything hurts, it's time to stop and relax a bit before trying again. Here we go. Z-ah. Great job. Let's side down one more time. As always, thanks for singing with me. If you like my videos, I hope you'll like, subscribe, and I also hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app. Keep singing. Let's do it again soon.